All set, sir.
Okay. Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. Today I want to talk about the 8 commercial roofing mistakes that building owners make. Certainly if you're going to invest $100,000 or more into your roof, certainly you want to make the right decisions, and I'm going to give you some reasons, some mistakes that you don't want to make. So the first one is choosing the wrong roofing system. And the first thing to do is consider lifetime cost. Some building owners, they only look at how much is this going to cost me today. They don't look at how much it's going to cost me over 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. Some roofing systems after 10 years don't need to be completely replaced. They can be put on for a half or a third of the cost of the original installation. So just look at different options you have and look at something more than just what you're getting, what the cost is today. Second one is energy savings. Certainly R value with different roofing systems can impact how much you save with energy. For example, spray foam provides enough energy savings where you might be able to pay for the entire roof in 4 to 5 years. There's certainly a lot of variables with that, but that's just one benefit of using a spray foam roof. But look at single ply, look at metal, and see what their energy savings are to help you make the best decision for your roof. The next thing is the probability of a roof that leaks. Certainly that's the one thing you never want to have on your roof. Look at the roofing systems. Which ones are multiple layers? Which ones have seams? Which ones, if you get a bump or a crack in it, what happens? On a single ply roof, instantly if it goes underneath your seams, water's in the insulation and it's going to come in your building at some point. Spray foam, it's not the same thing. So just look at different roofing systems and make sure you pick the one that's best for your facility. The next thing is picking a roofing system that you're already familiar with. Now you want to open your mind to other possibilities. Certainly just picking something because you're a gravel and built up guy forever. Open your mind to something else. Maybe some other roofing systems have positives that you didn't think were even possible. So just a mistake of just choosing something you're familiar with is a mistake that you can make. And the last thing is not worrying about the environment. Some roofing systems after 10 years when their life's over, you got to rip all that stuff off and take it to a landfill and throw it in there. Some roofing systems, you can just spray over top of it. Some roofing systems, the repairs are different. So just look at the different ones. Certainly if you can, and it's still beneficial for you, why not pick a roofing system that's beneficial for the environment as well? So let's get into picking the wrong roofing contractor. The first thing is paying for an unnecessary tear-off. Some roofing contractor might come to your place, say, yep, we gotta rip everything off and put a new system on. But why is that so? Can you give me a reason why you're telling me this? Are you doing an infrared inspection and there's so much water underneath that's true? Are they just telling you that just because? Good reasons why, and make the contractor justify what they're telling you. Next thing is, just choosing the cheapest contractor possible. One roofing contractor might be brand new, have a bunch of fresh rookie roofers. They're going to be cheaper, but is the quality of work going to justify that? Other contractors might use the best materials, have the best machinery. It's going to give you the best possible roof. They have roofers that are 20, 30 years experience. If you're going to invest a lot of money into a roof, you're going to want experienced guys on your roof. So ask those questions and see what the kind of crew is and how long the company's been in business and previous roofs they've done. So get a feel for that. Big mistake is just choosing the cheapest one and going with that. And the last thing has to do with service. Some roofing contractors have their own service departments that they use to service roofs in between. Some roofing contractors are small. They'll just pull a guy off the job and say, hey, go fix that one over here today. That guy has no information on your roof, what areas have been causing issues in the past, what's been serviced before, and a roofing contractor that has a complete service team will know all that, and they can fix your roof better than someone who's just coming in there with nothing. I know I covered a lot today. There's a URL in the bottom section here to the blog post where you can see all these details, all these points in more detail. So please check them out and give us a call if you have any questions. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.